Alright guys, I'm leaving Siena today and I'm taking a bus 112 to San Quirico di Orcha. I hope that's how it's pronounced. And I'm at the bus station near Olive Gate to take the bus. And I found something interesting. Like, this is their bus timetable. I mean, the digital version. You got the old school one. And you can just press either the information here and then it's gonna show you, well, information, and then you can press the bus button here. Well, let me refresh first. And then you get the timetable of each bus. But it only has these three. I don't know why, because apparently there are more than 3 buses that's gonna pass here. I mean, yeah, it's cool, but it's not very useful. So I prefer the old school one. So I'm going to, let me have a look. See if I can find it here. It's San Quirico. Yeah, so I'm going here. So I'm a little bit confused here. So this is my destination, San Quirico di Orcha. And that is San Quirico, and the app told me to take this one. Yeah, and if you're ever in Siena area or Tuscany area, download this app here. It's very useful. The interface is kind of basic, but it gets the job done. So yeah, go download it. There's about an hour before my bus arrived because I thought it's gonna take me longer to get from the hilltop down here, but apparently there's a direct route in the center of town, and it's all the way downhill, all the way till this gate here. So it only took me like 10 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, let me just do some more research and wait for the bus. Okay, I just got to my accommodation. It's pretty basic. It's a double room and pretty simple, basic, and most importantly, it's got a desk, which is what I need actually. I'm gonna set up my workstation here later, and the socket seems a bit high, but yeah, I'll try to make that work. Otherwise, there are sockets right next to the beds. And this is the toilet. Pretty simple, basic, but I don't need much. That's pretty much all I need. And the town that I'm staying is San Quirico di Orcha. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm sure I'm not. But anyways, that's the closest town to the shooting location. And I'm lucky to find a accommodation just right by the main road, so it won't take me long to get to the shooting location on foot. So in another word, I don't need to rent a car, save some money. The shot that I'm trying to get is the iconic Tuscan Valley. Okay, so this is what I meant by iconic Tuscan landscape. So by iconic, I mean farmhouses and cypress dotting on the hills and different colors of farms. So yeah, it's pretty much the main reason that I came here, to be honest. And tomorrow, I'm gonna use that farmhouse on the left as a foreground and hope, if I'm lucky, I can get some mist or a thin fog just above the farms or the hills.